In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a post on Hootsuite. This is an incredibly useful tool for managing your social media presence, whether you're a business, an influencer, or just looking to organize your personal posts better. Let's dive in and walk through the entire process step by step, ensuring you feel confident and ready to use this platform effectively. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Chrome is a popular choice, but any browser will work fine. Once open, navigate to Hootsuite.com. It's here where the magic begins, as Hootsuite will serve as your command center for managing your various social media channels. Go ahead and log into your Hootsuite account by entering your credentials. If you're new to Hootsuite, you may need to sign up first and follow their welcome instructions to get your profile ready for posting. Upon successfully logging in, you'll want to locate the Create Post or New Post button. This button is usually situated at the top right corner of the screen. Clicking this will open up the Post Composer, which is where the fun begins. Next, you'll need to select the social profile or profiles you want to post to. Whether it's Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, or another platform you're connected with, simply highlight those options. Hootsuite makes it seamless to manage multiple profiles from one dashboard, saving you time and streamlining your workflow. Now proceed to upload your content. This can be an image, a video, or simply text that you've prepared. Drag and drop your file into the composer or click to upload it from your device. Don't worry, the interface is very user-friendly, making this step quite straightforward. In your post composer, take a moment to add any links, hashtags, or even @mentions depending on the platform you're posting to. These elements are important to increase engagement and extend your post's reach. Hashtags, for example, are pivotal on platforms like Instagram and Twitter, while @mentions can help directly engage others. Once you're satisfied with your composition, you'll see an option to schedule for later, or you might notice a calendar icon somewhere within the composer window. This is your key to planning ahead. Clicking this will bring up the scheduling options. Choose your desired date and time for the post to be published. Be mindful of your audience's peak activity times, as this can significantly impact the reach and engagement your post receives. After picking the optimal date and time, take a moment to review the entire content of your post and the scheduled time. If everything looks good and ready to go, click Schedule to confirm your post. By doing this, your post will now be placed in the Publisher or Planner section of Hootsuite. You can always revisit this area at any time if you need to review, edit, or reschedule your posts thanks to Hootsuite's flexible interface. And that's it. By now, your post is all set and ready to go live exactly when you want it to.